Hey guys, my name is Freedom. I just published a CC3 plus Buddha 3D models in Reallusion Marketplace, and you can just have these models by using 500 DA points for the content license. And then now you can see this 3D model, it is really a Buddha with some of the base contents that you have to purchase separately. For example, this Buddha's hair and also this shirt, the full body shirt. So if you just directly go into the link in my video description, then it will lead you to the Reallusion Marketplace. You can just have it, or you can just download for trial. If you download as a trial model, it will appear the watermark, and the watermark, it doesn't harm. You can just have it and collect it. If you really want to use this 3D Buddha for your productions, for your game developing, etc., then you have to get the extend license. If you're just having fun, then just download for trial. It is really easy. All right. There are some of the base contents. You can just find it from the bottom. All right. That's all for today about the sharing of about I published a CC3 plus Buddha 3D model, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you!